They're playing basketball.
All around the world. To the beach, y'all. Let's go. All around the world. Y'all know this is so that. To the beach, y'all. Yeah.
Today's DIY video is inspired by the Andrea Bergart basketball purse that Alyssa Forever has been wearing. The purse sells for about $960, so I decided to make my own. If you're interested in how I achieved this look, stay tuned. For this purse, I used E6000 glue, a zipper purchased from Joann's Fabrics, measuring tape, handles purchased from Walmart, leather string, a gold chain from Walmart, and just an old belt I had. And of course, you can't forget the basketball. Also, you are going to need something sharper than scissors. I thought I could just use regular scissors, but it did not work. I ended up cutting the black straps that came attached to the gold chain. I like the gold chain aspect, but the strap was way too short to carry as a shoulder bag, so I just cut that off and then I added my belt to make it longer. Then I just added the leather string that I got from Joann's Fabrics, circling around where I'm putting the glue just to give it a more uniform look. I mean, this is a DIY project, but you don't really want it to look like it, and you see the glue seeping everywhere. So adding that string around it kind of made it look like it came like that. Okay, so the zipper was really a task for me. It looks a little shiny because I actually was trying to put it inside the slit of the basketball and only have the gold part show, but that did not work out at all, so I decided to plop it right on top. I did paint over the glue with black paint, trying to make it look a little bit more uniform. But yes, that's why I'm putting it on top and not inside the basketball, because that just was way too hard. I had to trade in the E6000 glue for some good old super glue, because the E6000 glue actually takes a while to dry. From what I've heard, it takes a full 24 hours to dry, and I did not know that. I know it's a super strong glue, but I didn't know it took that long to dry, so it just wasn't working. So yeah, I went to super glue, which worked just fine. Here you just see me trying to fill in the scratches that the ball had on it. I mean, it was a basketball. We did play with it before I made it into a purse, so it did get some scratches, but you can easily cover those with some paint.